Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, why is space black? If the universe is filled with stars, shouldn't it be glowing with light? Today, on TrueKingsKnowledge, we're diving into the cosmic mystery of the darkness of space. At first glance, you might think space is black simply because there's no air to scatter light like our blue sky on Earth. While that's partially true, there's something much deeper at play here. In the 19th century, astronomer Heinrich Olbers posed an interesting paradox. If the universe is infinite, with stars scattered everywhere, then no matter where you look, you should eventually hit a star. That means the entire night sky should be bright like the surface of the sun. But as we know, it's not. So, what's going on? The answer lies in the nature of our universe. First, the universe is not infinite in age. It had a beginning, the Big Bang, around 13.8 billion years ago. This means light from distant galaxies hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. Second, the universe is expanding. As galaxies move away from us, their light gets stretched into longer wavelengths, a phenomenon called redshift. Some of that light is shifted so far that it becomes invisible infrared and radio waves. Even though space looks dark to our eyes, it's actually glowing. The afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background, fills the universe. But it's in the microwave range, so our eyes can't detect it. If you could see microwave radiation, space would actually look bright. Our human eyes are only sensitive to a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Most of the universe is filled with light we simply can't see. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope can reveal an invisible universe full of infrared light. Before we wrap up, here are 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will leave you in awe. 1. Space is completely silent, since there's no air, sound has no medium to travel through. 2. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 4. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. 5. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. A nebula near the center of the Milky Way contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. 6. The sun's light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. If the sun were to suddenly vanish, we wouldn't notice for 8 minutes. 7. Jupiter's moon Europa may have more water than Earth. Scientists believe it has an ocean beneath its icy crust. 8. Black holes can slow down time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, extreme gravity near a black hole can warp time. 9. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula. It's colder than the background temperature of space, sitting at -457.7 degrees Fahrenheit (-272 degrees Celsius). 10. Dark matter and dark energy make up most of the universe. Ordinary matter, like stars and planets, only accounts for about 5% of everything that exists. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane. Unlike Earth's water-based lakes, Titan's lakes are filled with hydrocarbons. A spoonful of a neutron star would weigh as much as Mount Everest. Their extreme density packs immense mass into a tiny space. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. In about 4.5 billion years, they will merge to form a new galaxy. Some exoplanets could be entirely covered in lava. These lava worlds orbit extremely close to their stars. There's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways. HD 189733b has winds over 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, and scorching glass rain. Uranus spins on its side. Unlike other planets, Uranus has an extreme tilt, possibly due to a massive impact in its past. Some stars explode twice. Certain supernovae can have delayed second explosions, lighting up the universe again. Astronauts' height increases in space. Without gravity compressing their spines, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in orbit. The farthest galaxy ever observed is over 13 billion light-years away. This means we're looking at it as it was shortly after the Big Bang. If 2 pieces of the same metal touch in space, they fuse together. This phenomenon, called cold welding, happens due to the absence of oxidation. So, space is black not because there's no light, but because of the limits of our eyes, the expansion of the universe, and the cosmic redshift. The darkness of space is just an illusion. If you enjoyed this breakdown of cosmic mysteries, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep knowledge. This is TrueKingsKnowledge, where wisdom meets the universe.